equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Lenovo ThinkPad X1, specifically focusing on the USB-C controller issue that many users face. This guide will walk you through the diagnosis and repair process step by step. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts. Begin by powering down your device and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter of the laptop. Keep these screws organized. A magnetic mat can be very helpful here. Once the back cover is off, you'll want to locate the USB-C controller. It's usually situated near the battery or the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's wise to perform a professional diagnosis without obligation if you're unsure about the issue. This can save you time and effort. Now, carefully disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical shorts. Use your spudger to gently pry up the connector. With the battery disconnected, you can now focus on the USB-C controller. Inspect it for any visible damage or debris. If you see dust or dirt, use a can of compressed air to clean the area. If the controller appears damaged, you'll need to replace it. This involves unscrewing it from the motherboard. Again, keep track of your screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you've removed the faulty controller, install the new one by aligning it with the screw holes and securing it in place. Reconnect the battery, ensuring it's firmly attached. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to test the device. Power it on and check if the USB-C ports are functioning correctly. If everything is working, you can proceed to replace the back cover. Screw it back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. If you're not comfortable with this process, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and enjoy the restored functionality of your USB-C ports. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent future issues, so keep that in mind. And there you have it, a detailed guide to diagnosing and repairing the USB-C controller on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy repairing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.